So today we are talking about this keyboard here. You guys probably know because you click in this video. This is the Nuphy Air75 or something. But this keyboard is a little interesting. It doesn't really like any other keyboard. Let me explain. I am personally not a big fan of big punky mechanical keyboard. It sounds weird, I know, but it's the reason why I don't like those because I'm just so used to the MacBook, the laptop keyboard, and this like super short tactile keyboard, low profile, and you don't have to raise your hand really like all the way up while you are using the keyboard. I actually like how they sounds. I also like the mechanical keyboard sounds, but this one is different. So this is a low profile keyboard. I saw it in a YouTuber's YouTube video, and they were basically talking about this keyboard. The reason why I like so impressed, like it will make me to go out the way and buy this keyboard is there is one function on this. So this keyboard can actually go on your laptop keyboard. So something like this, but it doesn't really go on this MacBook Pro because this MacBook Pro is actually too new. It's not really compatible on the list. But when I bought this keyboard, I actually bought it for my Razer Blade 15. Razer Blade 15 keyboard, I personally really don't like it. The accuracy is not that good. The key switches itself is super small, and sometimes you type it and it doesn't register. So I actually bought this keyboard. I'm planning on using it for Razer Blade 15. But it will actually take a while until it arrives because when I order it, I think it's on like the second wave of order or something. Basically, I have to wait for a bit. And when this keyboard comes, I actually already got a new laptop, the new MacBook Pro, so I don't really need this keyboard. And this keyboard actually doesn't really fit on the new MacBook Pro because the new MacBook Pro is so new. Basically, this is an amazing keyboard so far. So it's not actually saying too much. It's a keyboard, so let's hear how it sounds actually. So this keyboard actually sounds pretty good. The key layout is a little different than what I was used to. It's not a big problem. You probably experience this after like pretty much any time you switch using another keyboard. It will be like a time period that you will get used to, the keyboard tactile feel. The keyboard itself feels really good. The travel of the key is really good. I like the style, the whole design of this. It's just so. Personally, I like the minimalist look. Like I like a full black or full white, like the Apple Magic keyboard. Recently I actually like a little more color in my life, and this color is actually looking nice without being too distracted. The RGB on this is also amazing. So the RGB on this is actually not really lighting up the key switches. Lighting up around the key switches, but it doesn't really tell you lighting up the letter, which it means at night you will have a little bit problem with the key. Maybe you can't see it. Is the microphone on? Yes, it is on. I mean, I wouldn't say, maybe if that's a deal breaker for you, then you can give a pass on this. But with with the price of this keyboard, I think you're getting really good value of it. If you have a laptop and with like mediocre keyboard and you want to take it up a notch, especially you are the type of person that taps a lot, this is a mechanical keyboard and you can choose the switches, and they do have different sounds with different color switches. This keyboard is pretty super amazing, to be honest. Even if you don't use it to type a lot, you just want it like a desktop keyboard to play games and you like the style of it, yeah, this is a super solid keyboard. The material feels solid. It's aluminum up here, it's plastic in the back, but here it has a little aluminum pieces of branding. Oh shit, I actually didn't realize that. When I tap, you can actually see the RGB of the keyboard from the back, so it's like transparency. That was really cool. You can support wireless, and it actually has a little Windows and Mac switches. Basically, I guess the command key on the Mac, it actually does have a command key. Also has a control and option key for the Windows. So either on whichever the side you on, it looks great. I can't really show you how does it look when it's actually placing on a laptop, because like I said, I don't really have a compatible laptop. My new MacBook Pro doesn't really compatible with this laptop. But the idea, if you have an older generation MacBook Pro or any other laptop, idea is you can place this on your laptop, and it's low profile, so it's not gonna be super bulky, and you can just type it kind of like you were typing on the regular laptop keyboard. You can still using the trackpad while this keyboard is actually on your keyboard. And with the older generation MacBook with the touch bar, you can actually still use the touch bar and the trackpad while you are using this keyboard. So another thing I like with this keyboard is it's actually coming with this carrying case. Carrying case is interesting. At first, it just looks like a carrying case. This actually you have to buy it. But this one is actually, if you have an iPad, so I have an iPad right here. This is an iPad Pro with the Magic Keyboard. But let's say if for some reason I didn't buy this Magic Keyboard, or you know, this Magic Keyboard is nice and so, but still feels like a laptop you know, keyboard. I wanted to take it not up a notch, so I'm trying to use this keyboard. First of all, you can connect them together via Bluetooth, but let's say I need a stand. So this carrying case can actually turn it into a stand. I actually forgot how exactly I have to do so. I think it's something like this. Put my iPad right here. I can just type on like a, you know, computer or something, and this feels great. So overall, I do think this keyboard is worth a buy if you want to take your typing experience up a notch, I guess. I forgot exactly what the price line. I'm gonna put it on the screen right now. Somewhere from $75 to like $100 or something. With this carrying case, it's gonna cost a little more, but still, if you do type a lot, this is a portable mechanical keyboard, basically low profile and with a good style, and I think it's worth a buy. So just a quick video. This nothing big video or something. It's probably really short. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe, because this is the last video for this year. And next year I'm gonna start it up with a road trip video, with a vlog. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace.